Voila! Welcome to the world of professional onboard camera systems. Today we dive into the Pruvio Dashcam, 4-channel camera that delivers FHD 1080p quality across all angles: front, left, right, rear, and even inside your vehicle. Let's explore the features and benefits of this comprehensive camera setup. Customers rave about the coverage, angles, and video quality of the Pruvio Dashcam. With multiple cameras capturing every side, front, and back view, the end results are nothing short of professional. The 360-degree view and night vision feature add to the allure of this reliable and high-quality product. Satisfied customers praise the premium feel, reliability, and ease of installation of the Pruvio Dashcam. The well-made construction and good coverage make it a top choice for those seeking a hassle-free onboard camera solution. Ease of use is a standout feature of the Pruvio Dashcam. Customers appreciate the simplicity of installation and operation, especially with the rear and side views. Quick access and clear instructions make this camera a user-friendly choice. Performance is where the Pruvio Dashcam shines. Customers praise its seamless operation, excellent video quality, and overall reliability. With no compromises on performance, this camera delivers on all fronts. Video quality is a key highlight of the Pruvio Dashcam. Customers are impressed by the clear and crisp footage, especially the day and nighttime recordings. The high-resolution video coupled with clear audio makes this camera a top choice for capturing every moment. Customers find great value in the Pruvio Dashcam. With its affordable price point and top-notch features, this camera is a worthwhile investment for those looking for quality and performance without breaking the bank. The appearance of the Pruvio Dashcam is another winning factor. Customers love the sleek design, sturdy build, and professional visual quality. The overall look of this camera adds a touch of sophistication to any vehicle. Coverage is a standout feature of the Pruvio Dashcam. With multiple cameras capturing all angles, customers feel secure knowing that every side of their vehicle is under surveillance. The 4-camera setup ensures nothing goes unnoticed. Angles matter, and the Pruvio Dashcam delivers on that front. Customers appreciate the ability to capture all angles of their vehicle, ensuring nothing escapes their sight. The 360-degree view, night vision, and adjustable cameras make this camera a top choice for comprehensive coverage. Please click the link in the description below to get more discount and detail of the product. Cheers!